If you want to be a data analyst, you need to know how to use the lag function in SQL, so let me show you how to do it. So if you've never heard of lag, it's a window function that allows you to access data from a previous row without having to do a self-join. So lag comes in handy anytime you want to compare data in a row to data in a previous row. So for example, I have this sales table here, and I want to see how today's revenue compares to yesterday's revenue. I'm going to use my handy outline here to make things easier, and this is going to be a very simple bare bones example, and in another video I'll show some more complex examples. So I'm going to start by selecting the two columns that I want to pull, which are the sale date and the revenue. Next is my lag function, and inside my parentheses I need my column 2, which in this case is revenue, followed by the offset and the default value, which are both optional. The offset is the number of rows to look back, and if I don't specify anything for offset, then it will default to 1. In this case, I only want to look back 1 row since I'm looking at yesterday's revenue, so I don't need an offset. The default value is the value to return if there's no previous row, and I don't want to worry about that right now, so I'm not going to specify a default value either. Next, I'm going to say over, and partition by is also optional. This is where you can group rows before applying the lag function. I don't need to do that in this example, so we're going to skip it. And next we need to specify the order that we want the lag function to operate. I want to order by sales date, so I'm going to specify that here. And now I need an alias for this new column that is going to be created. I'll just call mine previous day revenue. Lastly, I need to indicate which table I am pulling my data from. And now I'm going to comment out my outline so I can run my code. And now I'll run my code, and there's my table with a new column for previous day revenue.